Whoa. So took like 2-3 trades, and I won like on the third one. No, I think I took two and lost two, and I saw it, and then I took it again. But this is the weekly, daily. I marked out this fair value gap right here in the daily, and I also used it as well, and it lined up with this. What did it line up with again? It lined up with something. Alright, so look, here is from here to here. This OTE, it was all the way over here. And then, I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, it lined up with the OTE, literally the OTE right here, this order block, and everything else. Yeah, it lined up with that. Yeah, my bad. I don't know how I did that. Like right here, or I'll show you when I went short. Alright, so I told you I failed twice, so you're gonna see those. I'll come with them 1 minute. So look, I'll just show you where I failed. I placed a short here. I got stopped out for like 2 points. I placed another short, where was it? Over here, and I think I got stopped out again. And then I didn't see this at the time, but in the 15-minute, all the way here, there's this large wick, and I placed a fib to it, and it's literally respecting the equilibrium and the 50% of it. So when it does this, so where is it? I go short literally right here, and I place my stops up here because I know damn well if he's respecting that, that's what it's like. That's what it's gonna happen. Because I try to go short over here because in the 5-minute there's this wick, and like look at that. I put it to 50%. I put it up here, my stop loss, and I got stopped out for like 2 points. That's all right. And then I just see that there's multiple wicks, and like that I can just tell like that's where like I need to like place my thing. So I place it here. I put my stop loss up here at the top of the wick, and so this is what happens. I have, look, it went down, and I placed my, what's it called? I placed my take profit like for 3 right here. I don't know if it's gonna show that. Will it show it down here? Yeah, I think it does actually. So 25454. 254. I don't know. 25472. Oh, is it right here? 25472.75. Let's go see right here. Not right there. It was right here though. It was right there. Oh, yeah, I think it was that wick actually, but it was right there, and I placed it there, and I gained like 156. Like, bro, I was literally on the fucking phone with my mom. This shit over here, it drops like because of this. 815 FOMC meeting, but like, bro, it's not red food. I don't know. That was so much volatility just for that, but. And there's multiple lows down here, so I placed it right there, and it took 3 out, and then it was like slowly going down. Like at first it like didn't fully go down like to my take profit. It just like took the first one. After it took the first one, I was like, what the fuck? And I was still on the phone with my mom, and then like a second, and it just drops all the way down, bro, and it goes all the way down here. But I placed it to this 30-minute fair value gap. I mean, yeah, this 30-minute right here, and then this 1 hour right there. But you can see 25. Wait, how do I do it again? 2545. Wait, what is that? 25454. Alright, let's go to the 1 hour. 25454. Okay, so exactly to there it went, as you can see. That was my full trade, so that was beautiful trade. Like, I knew that was gonna happen for sure. And yeah, thank you.